Are you looking for material handling solutions? Allow our staff at PFlow Industries to help. Since 1977, PFlow has been solely devoted to the design and manufacturing of vertical reciprocating conveyors, VRCs, material handling equipment, systems, and more. As the VRC pioneer, we've led the industry from the start. Our material handling services include single-source responsibility for VRC design, fabrication, service, and support. We design custom-engineered hydraulic, mechanical, and fully automated lift systems. Hydraulic lifts are the economical choice for two-level applications. Mechanical lifts provide the versatility and flexibility needed for high-speed, high-capacity, and multi-level applications. Package lifts are designed for lifting boxes, totes, cartons, cases, and miscellaneous items with ease and speed. Whatever the size, speed, and vertical height your application demands, we'll help you develop the best solution. All PFlow material handling solutions deliver peace of mind at no extra cost. For more information about our material handling solutions, please visit pflow.com or call 414-352-9000.